In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a direct message in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just need a quick refresher, this easy to follow guide will have you messaging your teammates in no time. Let's dive right in. First, open up Slack and navigate to your workspace. You'll find yourself in the main Slack interface featuring all of your channels and conversations on the left side of the screen. Here is where all the magic happens. If you're part of several Slack workspaces, ensure you've selected the correct one for this activity. Now, let's locate the person you want to message directly. There are a couple of ways to do this, and this flexibility is what makes Slack so user-friendly. The quickest method is to use the search bar located at the upper part of the Slack window. Type in the name of the person you're aiming to message, and as you type, Slack will automatically suggest contacts that match your input. This feature helps you quickly identify and select the right person, particularly if you're working within a large team. Alternatively, you can navigate to the direct messages section in your sidebar. This list contains people you've recently conversed with or reached out to, making it a handy reference for ongoing conversations. Once you find the person you want to message, click on their name. This action will open up the direct message thread, and you'll be presented with a blank conversation area to start typing your message. Once the direct message window is open, look towards the bottom of your screen where you'll see a text box. This is where you'll craft your message. Be concise yet clear in your communication to ensure your message is easily understood. Slack supports several text formatting options, so feel free to use basic formatting to emphasize key points if necessary. After you've composed your message, the next step is to send it. Simply hit the Enter key or click the Send button next to the text box, and voila, your message is off to the other person's inbox just like that. It's as straightforward as that, and in real time, they will be notified of your message. This immediate delivery is one of the many benefits of Slack, making workplace communication more efficient and interactive. And with that, you're all done. You've successfully sent a direct message in Slack. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident navigating your Slack workspace. Please feel free to revisit any section of this video if you need a refresher or to share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.